Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change address in Aramex. Before we start, make sure your Aramex app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Play Store, as older versions might look slightly different. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Aramex application on your mobile phone. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one using your phone number or email address. Now here, tap on My Account option, present at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Addresses option at the second. This is where all your saved delivery addresses appear. Now here, you'll be able to find your address. Now tap on the three dots next to your address. After this, tap on Edit Address. Now here, you can tap on Search option at the top, and then you can search the address that you want to enter. With this, you can tap on Save option and save the address. If not, you can zoom in and zoom out from the map, and then select a specific location through the map. Pro tip: make sure the map pin is placed exactly where your building or house is located. This helps delivery drivers find your address faster and avoids delays. Once it's done, you'll be taken to the Edit Address section. Now here, you can enter your address nickname by tapping on Address Nickname box. Similarly, you can also change your building name, your floor name, as well as your flat. After you enter all the information regarding your address, a tap on Save. With this, now your address will be changed. You can see my address in Aramex has been changed. And this is how we can change address in Aramex. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.